Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove the SIM card on Samsung Galaxy A27. All you have to do is take your SIM ejector tool. Rotate the phone, place the tool in the hole, and use a little pressure. The tray will jump out. Take it out using your nail. The SIM card is already popped out from the slot. That's how you easily remove it. Now insert the SIM card tray back in. Don't use too much pressure, just make sure you're putting it in from the right side. It will gently go in. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please leave a like, comment,